Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to unsilence calls from unknown numbers on iPhone. For those unfamiliar, iOS comes with a feature called Silence Unknown Callers. When enabled, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recents list. While this feature is pretty well thought out, some folks might want to unsilence unknown numbers. If that's you, let me show you how to get it done the quick way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, scroll down to find Phone and then select it. Once again, you have to scroll down a bit and then tap Silence Unknown Callers. And finally, you have to turn off the toggle located right next to Silence Unknown Callers and you are good to go. From now onwards, calls from unknown numbers will no longer be silenced on your iPhone. Of course, if you ever want to change this behavior, all you have to do is go back to the same setting and then turn on the toggle located right next to Silence Unknown Callers and you are pretty much done. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.